The next opportunity that I want to talk about is the facilities technician. Now, Andre, what is this job or some of the primary responsibilities?
So when you think about a facilities technician, that's really our in-house, facilities technician, where they're going to handle, everything from repairs and maintenance to the various systems that we utilize for the building itself, and even some building construction tasks as well as needed. So whether that's repairs to some of our commercial mechanical, electrical, or plumbing systems, you'll be inspecting, analyzing, repairing, maintaining, and installing, all those various things. Whether again it's mechanical, electrical, or our plumbing systems as well. There's also the monitoring of those systems and operations. And you'll be working with a team of other technicians, and you'll really be assigned with the possibility of overseeing renovations and various maintenance projects as well.
Okay. And to be successful in this job, are there any training, experience, or necessary skills that someone would need?
Sure. So you definitely want to have a strong attention to detail, right? The old adage is measure twice, cut once. It's very important. But you definitely want to have some experience in project coordination and project management. Definitely the ability to read and understand manufacturers' warnings, labels, instructions is very important to the role. The ability to operate a variety of different power tools and having some previous experience doing that, because of the dangerous nature of some of those that equipment and tools. It's very important that you have an understanding of everything involved with the utilization of those. And if you have a background in a skilled trade, whether you've have some experience as a plumber or you have some experience as an electrician, anything like that is very helpful in this role.
What else would be in an average workday or like a workday environment?
Sure. So being a facilities technician and the facility is really open 24 hours, you need to be available 24/7 as well. So your work environment is going to run, 24/7, 365. So you'll have to be able to work any of those shifts, even including after hours and weekends. You also can anticipate working in cramped spaces sometimes. You can be on top of the building on the roof one day, and the next day you can be in the basement by yourself, freezing because it's so cold down there. So you really want to make sure that you have an understanding of your day is really never going to be the same.
Okay. And are there any difficulties that come with that job besides like a random change in environment?
Sure. So definitely the various environments that you're working in is going to be a challenge. Obviously, because of some of the work that you do, it's going to be moments where it can be physically exhausting, but definitely rewarding at the same time, because really the work that you do impacts everyone that is in that facility.
Okay. And would you say those rewards are what makes the job appealing, or what else would you say would make the job appealing?
So aside from, knowing that what you do really impacts, again, everyone who works in that facility, again, no 2 days are going to be the same in this job, because, 1 week you can be working on a project. The next week you can be in someone's office just trying to make sure that they don't have a leaky roof or something like that. So, there's going to be variety in what you do every day. So I think that's one of the more enjoyable and appealing parts of the job.
Okay. And in the next few years, do you anticipate any availability of this job growing or declining, or do you think it's going to stay steady?
I definitely think it's going to stay steady and possibly even grow, only because, this is not a job that can really be replaced by a machine. You need someone physically there to be able to act quickly, utilize their skills and experience to solve whether it's a simple problem or even a more complex problem. You need that, that hands-on experience and that person to be able to do that. One thing I will note though is that as technology changes and just the industry changes itself, the more advanced skills that you have and just being a person that can really keep up to date with those various trainings and those skills needed will be very important.
Okay. And are there any jobs similar to this one?
Sure. So, facility operations specialist, facilities engineer, even facilities project managers or site managers or supervisors are all roles in the industry right now that have the skills and the training background and responsibilities that are really transferable to what we're looking for in this role.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.